Good day, ma'am. I am Precioso Maynegro III, and this is my presentation. Sensitive information. Information that requires a higher level of classification than normal data. This information is protected from a loss of confidentially, as well as from loss of integrity owning authorized information. Private information considered as professional treasure, professional nature of it's intended for company use only. Its disclosure could adversely affect the reputation of the company. So what is sensitive information? Sensitive information is the information that with limited people can access that information. Private information is information that will given to the person who is trusted. Criteria of information classification value. So first, value. It is the most commonly used criteria for classification information in the private sector. If the information is valuable or organization, it needs to be classified. So this information is for the company use or organizational use, the classified to use in this organization. Second, age. The classification of information that may be lowered in the information value decreases over time. So this classification is used to if kanang gamiton ni mga information is kanang over time mo lessen iyang value, mo lessen iyang technically use ana personal association. This information is personally associated with the specific individual. Once it can address the privacy law, then it may need to be classified. Okay, next. Security classification of document or information. Document security is the maintenance of all the essence of the documents truly backed up or no longer needed. So this document is document security, maintain all the essence, and if the document is no longer needed, it is automatically not usable. Document and information security. It is the major division of the security involves the protections of documents and information from loss or damages accessed by unauthorized persons. So this document is need to be opened by person who can access the information and know the procedures how to open this document, or the person who only needs to access the information. Compartmentation. It refers to the grant of access classified matter only to properly cleared persons when such classified information is required to the performance of their official duties and restricting it specific physical confined with visible. So this part, you can explain the document, but not all the classification of the document. You kanang ihatag rin mo ang access, but not all. You need to give it limited. Classification of document. Top secret. Any information that material that unauthorized disclosure of which would cause exceptionally grave damage to the nation, politically, economic, or military. So this classification is you don't need to post the document or the information in public to prevent counterattack to the enemy, nationally, politically, and economically, or military, especially in military. Example of top secret matters. Critical information relating vital strategic areas and supply vital strategical matters. Matter relating to new and far reaching experimental, technical, and scientific documents in methods, warfare, or defense vital matter. So this is the anti-counterattack for military, economically, politically, and nationally to prevent the further damages in organization. And that's all. Thank you.